Hello my students, Prep 2, how are you? Today we'll solve weekly assessment number 7. Second term, algebra and geometry. Algebra, we'll talk about exercise for unit 1. Geometry, solve questions, talk about symmetry. Okay, first question, first group, in the opposite figure, ABC triangle, which EE equals 6 centimeter, EC equal 2 centimeter, and DE equal 9 centimeter, and DE parallel to CP. Prove that triangle ABC parallel similar to triangle ADE, and then find the value of x. Okay, to find the first solution here, to prove that ABC parallel similar to ADE, first step we have measure of angle A in triangle AED and in triangle ACB. It's a common angle. We have a common angle, and ED parallel to CP, and EC AEB also, AC and AB transversal of two straight line parallel. Then the measure of angle E equal measure of angle C, we called it corresponding angles, and also measure of angle D equal measure of angle B. Then the two triangle AED and ACB are similar. Understood? First step, we can write the proof here. First step, such that AD parallel to CB and AC is a transversal of them. AC is transversal, and EB and CB is a transversal also. Okay, then the measure of angle E equal measure of angle C. Measure of angle E equal measure of angle C. We called it corresponding angles. And measure of angle D equal measure of angle B. We called it corresponding angles. We called it corresponding angles. Okay, and then also angle A is a common. We have a common angle E between two triangles. Then triangle AED, the triangle AED will be similar to triangle ACB. They are similar. Then we have the ratio between AE and AC. It's equivalent AD over CB, equivalent DA over PA. And then we can write AE was 6 centimeter and AC 6 plus 2 equal 8. Okay, AC, the side length AC 6 plus 2 equal 8 centimeter, and ED 9 centimeter. CB was X. Okay, and DA and BA we have in the list here. Then we can find the value of X here. Okay, then X will be equal what? 9 reduced by 8 over 6 equals 72 over 6 equal 12 centimeters. In the list here will be 12 centimeter. Okay, understood? Next question. Find the value of K that makes the following expression a perfect square. Okay, we know K lies in the middle. Then Kx will be equal positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first product by square root of the third. Then Kx will be equal positive or negative 2 product by x bar 2 square root x square root of 4 equal 2. Then K product by x equal positive or negative 4x. And then we can cancel x by x. Then K will be positive or negative 4. So the value of K equal positive or negative 4. Next question. Find in R the solution set of the equation x bar 2 plus x equal 20. Then x bar 2 plus x subtract by 20 equals 0. And then you can factorize this expression. X bar 2 equal x by x. We want two numbers. The product of them equal 20 and the difference between them equal 1. we can write 4 by 5, and the sign of 5 will be positive like the middle, and it will be difference. Then x minus 4 will be equal 0, then x will be 4. And x plus 5 equals 0, so x will be equal negative 5. Then the solution set here will be 4 and negative 5. Okay, next question. Factorize following separation completely. We have x power 4 subtract by 4. We can write x power 4 equal x power 2 times x power 2 and negative 4 equal negative 2 times positive 2. Okay, but this example in Arabic, not this. Okay, this equation, but in your students reference in Arabic, you give us this equation like this. Right here 2 x power 4 subtract 8 product by x. Okay, if you give us this example like this, you can write x has common factor between them. The result will be x power 3 subtract by 8. Okay, it's other question, but in this question, x power 4 minus 4, you can find the result easy. Okay, never mind. But I will give you this information because in Arabic questions, he give us like this question. Okay, he gives them this question, not this. Okay, never mind. I will help you here. X power 4 minus 4, you can write x power 2 times x power 2 subtract and 8 2 and 2 times 2 4. And then what about this example? If the teacher gives you this example, what we will do, you can write the highest common factor between two terms outside x, because x power 4 and x, the highest common factor between them equal 3. And then x power 4 divided by x equal x power 3 subtract by 8x divided by x equal 8. And then you can write complete x outside and then factorize this expression. Small brackets and the greater, raise the cubic root of x power 3 equal x, and the cubic root of negative 8 equal negative 2. And then x power 2, it will be x power 2, and negative 2 power 2, it will be 4. And then in the middle, we can write positive negative 2x times negative 2 times x will be negative x, and then change the sign here, it will be 2x. Okay, but in this example, it's the solution about this question. Okay, okay. Next time, you'll see like this question, don't worry. Okay, now second group, we have two triangles here and two straight line parallel, and AC and DB, we call it transversals. He won't find number one, proves that triangle AED similar to triangle AC CEB. Okay, first step, we can prove that by like with me here steps about this question. We have DA right here, such that DA was parallel to CB, and we have AC and DB are transversal of them. Okay, they are transversal. Then measure of angle A will be equal measure of angle C, and measure of angle D equal measure of angle B. We called it corresponding angles. Okay, understood? Measure of angle D equal measure of angle B, and measure of angle A equal measure of angle C. We called it corresponding angles. Okay, because we have two transversal about two straight line parallel, and also we have such that AC intersection by DB at the point E. Then measure of angle DEA equal measure of angle BEC. Okay, two angles are equal in measure. We called it vertical opposite angles. We have two straight line intersection on one point, then the two vertical opposite angles are equal in measure. Then two triangles will be similar because we have three angles in the first triangle equal three angles the other, or the corresponding angles the other triangle. Okay, then two triangles will be congruent. Not congruent, but we have called it similar, not congruent. Congruent if all sides are equal lengths, like AE equal EC. I can write two sides EE equal EC and ED equal EB. They will be congruent, but in this example we called it similar, not congruent. Okay, then the first triangle AED. Okay, triangle AED AD is similar to triangle CAB. Okay, they are similar. Then you can write the ratio between corresponding angles. Why? Because he wants the parameter, finds the parameter of triangle ACP. CEB, sorry, this. Then you can find the length of CE and EB, and then add CE plus EB plus BC to find the parameter of this triangle. You can write the ratio AE over AC equivalent here, AE over CE equal ED over EB, and DA over BC. And then we can write the ratio AE equal 5 centimeter and CE was 15 centimeter, ED was 4 centimeter, and EP, we want to find EP, and also DA, where DA was this? DA 6, okay, 6 centimeter over BE or EB, BC, DA over CB, CP equal 50, okay, CP and CE, CE, we don't know CE, okay, 5 over, look at here, 5 over EC equal 4 over EP equal 6 over 15. Okay, it's true. Then you can complete to find the result here about like CE equal 5 reduced by 15 divided by 6. It will be what? 5 times 15 divided by 6, it will be 12.5. 75 divided by 6, okay, 75 divided by 6 equal 12.5, okay. Okay, centimeter. And we can find also the length of EB equal 4 times 15 over 6. 4 times 15 equals 60. 60 times 6 equal 10 centimeter. Okay, then we can find the perimeter. Perimeter of triangle. What's the name of triangle he wants? Triangle ECP. ECP equal, we can add 10 plus 12.5 plus the third side here, we have 15. Okay, this side was 15. And then we can add together to find the parameter. We have 5 here, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1 equal 3. The result will be 37.5 centimeter. Okay, it's the last question here in this example. The parameter. Okay, next question. Find the value of k to make the expression perfect square. We know kx in the middle, then kx equal positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first, product by square root of the third. Then kx equal positive or negative 2 product by x product by 5. Then kx will be positive or negative 2 times 5, 10, 10 product by x. We can simplest. Then k equal positive or negative 10. It's the value of k, okay? Next question here. Find solution set in the equation R, okay? Real numbers. We can use factorization. We know x power 2 plus x equal 56, then x power 2 plus x minus 56 will be equal 0, okay? And then you can write x power 2 equal x by x, and 56 equal 8 times 9. No, 56 equals 7 times 8, okay? But 8 times 9 equals 72, okay? Understood? 7 times 8 equals 56. We want to number product of them equal 56, and the difference between them 1. Okay? Then the sign here would be difference because the product negative. The grids will be like the middle, and 7 will be, the smaller number will be the inverse. Okay? Then x minus 7 equals 0, or x plus 8 equals 0. So x will be 7 and x equal negative 8. then the solution set will be 7 and negative 8. Next question. Factorize the following. We have 2x power 2 minus 50. We can write 2 هتكون factor between two terms. 2x power 2 divided by 2 equal x power 2. 25. 50 divided by 2 equal 25. And then write 2 and then factorize this. X power 2 equal x by x. 5 times 5, 25. Write negative and positive. Next question. Third group. ABC is triangle. You want to prove that two triangle here similar. Okay, we have. Okay, this triangle I will draw here because he gives us information not in the draw. Like side length AC was 6. We have E, C, D, and B. They are similar. Parallel here 7 centimeter. It was 4 centimeter, and this side length AC was 6 centimeter. This side length 6, and PC7, and we have also EP 8. Then this side length will be 4 because 4 plus 4 equal 8. You want to prove that two triangles similar first. First, we can write like this first question, such that we have ED parallel to CP and AD, and we have again ED parallel to CP and AC. EC and EP are transversal. Of them, then measure of angle E equal measure of angle C, and measure of angle D equal measure of angle B. We called it corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. And then we have angle A is a common between two triangles. Then triangle, first triangle AED, similar to ACB. They are similar. And then he won't find the length of DE and EA. Okay, we can write the ratio here. AE over AC equal ED over CB equal DA equal BA. And then we can write the side here EE and AC for AC 6 centimeter AC, okay, and ED and CP 7 and DA 4 and BA equal 8. For half of 8, then EE equal 3 centimeter, half of 6, and ED half of 7, 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Next question. Find the value of k that makes the following separation perfect square. We can write x power 2 plus x equal 20, and then move 20 from right hand side to left hand side, and then you can factorize this expression. X by x power 2. We want to number product with them equal 20, 4 times 5. And the difference between 1, the greatest number 5 like the middle, and it will be negative. Then x plus 5 equals 0, or x minus 4 equals 0. Then the value of x equal negative 5 or x equal 4. Then the solution set will be negative 5 and 4. Next question. Find the value of k. We have x power 2 plus kx plus 49. Then kx equal positive or negative, because this expression perfect square. You want to find the value of k to get this expression perfect square. Product by square root of the first, product by square root with the third. Then kx equal positive or negative 2, product by x power 2, x product by 7. The result will be positive or negative 14x equal kx. Then you can simplest k equal positive or negative 14. Find in R solution set. I solve this example. Okay. Last question here. Factorize the following expression. 2x power 3 plus 16. We can write 2 height common factor. 2x power 3 divided by 2 equal x power 3, and 16 divided by 2 equal 8. You can factorize this expression again. X power 3 cubic root ليها, and the cubic root of 8. X power 2 to x power 2, 2 power 2 4, and the middle is the first time second, and change the sign. Okay.